Here we come to another set of elevators at Cougar Village 2 at University of Houston, Texas. These are the south elevators. So the ones that we just rode in my previous video, the one with one being the center opening and the other one being the single speed, those are the north elevators. These are the south elevators. Anyways, these are Schindler 400 AE from 2013. These are exactly similar to the other ones, except they don't have a center opening door. Sorry. All right, just have to cut out the wait time. All right, go ahead and swipe your card. Does it work? Oh, swipe your card again. You can only go to 6. Yeah, you can only go to the floor that you currently live on. I really like that fornicator. All right, let's go back down to 1. Listen to the brakes.
6th floor, going down.
Indicators don't light up. Just exactly like the other one. This thing runs kind of questionable. All right, you don't mind swapping your card and send this elevator up to 6 and we'll get the other one?
1st floor, going up.
All right, here's the other elevator car right here. All right, go ahead. It's like the door button doesn't work. All right, let's go back down to 1. Sorry for not showing the doors opening from outside the elevator, outside the video, outside of the elevator, because there's like so many people in there. Oh, got the red and green indicator. Red for up, green for down. It's supposed to be green for up and red for down. Got a messed up ceiling tile.
4th floor, going down.
Have a great day. I want to see something. Does the door button work? I want to see something here. Oh, it does work. I just didn't push the door button hard enough. All right, let's watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.